Hello guys, let's install Naca4CAD. In the App Store, hit the download button. Keeping MSI installer depends on your security setting and browser. Follow installation wizard. After installing Naca4CAD, open Inventor. Allow addin in Addin Manager. You can also check load automatically for auto start in next Inventor session. Naca4CAD button appears in 2D sketch toolbar. You can directly set 4 or 5-digit Naca or choose airflow from catalog. There is more like 1600 of predefined airflows. "2D spline supports lots of operations like extrusion or loft. Good luck with your project! Bye!